Hi, little friends. It's so great to see you here again. Today, we're going to play the Paw Patrol video game. Yes, with Rubble, Skye, and all the others. We have a new mission. We need to help put back up some signs that the kitten catastrophe crew knocked over. Oh, what a bunch of troublemakers. At the end of the video, we're going to play a surprise riddle. You'll need to remember a word in Spanish, and my friend Brighty will give you a magic clue to help. Are you ready? Let's play and learn together.
It seems the kittens have caused quite a stir in the city. And the citizens of Adventure Bay need our help first.
Parece que los gatitos han causado destrozos en la ciudad. Y los ciudadanos necesitan nuestra ayuda.
Then we'll take care of Mayor Humdinger and his blimp.
Ryder! All of our festival signs have been knocked over. It must have been that mischievous catastrophe crew. Without the signs, our citizens won't find their way to the festival.
Sin los carteles, los ciudadanos no sabrán cómo llegar al festival.
You can leave it to us, Mayor Goodway. Paw Patrol is on the case. Rubble, use your vehicle's claw hook to lift the sign back up.
Rubble, usa el gancho de tu vehículo para levantar los carteles caídos.
Let's roll. Choose a pup. Rubble. You unlocked a new vehicle sticker. Claw hook, do your job. Well done! One less trouble, Rubble on the double! Good job, Rubble. Now let's get the sign facing the right way. Skye, it's time to use your vehicle skyhook.
Skye, usa el gancho de tu vehículo.
Choose a pup. Everest, Zuma, Rocky, Skye. Let's hook this. Well done. There's another fallen sign here. Rubble, use your claw hook again to lift it back up.
Rubble, usa el gancho otra vez para levantarlo.
Choose a pup. Rocky, Zuma, Everest, Rubble. Claw hook, do your job. Well done. Your turn, Skye.
Te toca, Skye.
Let's take to the sky.
¡A volar se ha dicho!
Choose a pup. Chase, Marshall, Tracker, Skye. Let's hook this. done! One more sign to fix. Rubble, you know what to do.
El último cartel. Rubble, ya sabes lo que hay que hacer.
Choose a pup.
Zoom Everest.
Rubble! Clawhook, do your job. Well done.
Yeah, I did it!
Skye, we just need you to straighten it up with the skyhook.
Skye, tienes que usar tu gancho para enderezarlo.
Choose a pup.
Everest, Zuma, Rocky, Skye. Let's hook this.
Well done.
The festival is starting to take shape again. Thank you, Paw Patrol.
El festival sigue adelante. Gracias, patrulla canina.
Mission completed.
We did it, little friends. The mayor is super happy because we helped put all the signs back up. It was so much fun helping Rubble and Skye. Now it's time for the riddle. The word hook appeared many times in the video. Do you remember how to say it in Spanish? Here's a clue. It's a word that starts with G. It ends with the letter O. After the G, add the letters A and N. Now, we are just missing letters C and H. Got it? That's right. The word we're looking for in Spanish is gancho. Awesome job. You're learning so much Spanish with Paw Patrol. See you again very soon in the next adventure. A big hug